How to choose a new kayak. Beginner tips. Whether you are new to the sport or a professional, there are several things that you should consider when buying a kayak or a canoe. If you take a look at the market, you'll be instantly overwhelmed. There are many models, styles, and various price ranges. How in the world will you choose? Here are some tips for buying the kayak or the canoe that you want to own. Tip 1. What will you do with the kayak or the canoe? Your first need to address is the type of water you'll be on. For example, if you want to take the rapids, you'll need a much stronger kayak and canoe than if you plan to just enjoy touring. You have 4 choices to choose from. They are recreational, touring, whitewater, and downriver versions. Tip 2. Know your length and width. You'll get easier paddling, more stability, and heavier load capability from a longer kayak. On the other hand, you get lighter, less expensiveness and easier transport from a shorter kayak. In width, you'll want a wider option whenever possible, as this makes it much more stable. Tip 3. The hull is also an important measure. Those that have hulls with flat bottoms, hard chines and greater flare are better for stability than those with round hulls. Yet, round hulls are also more nimble and easier to roll if they do tip over. So, what does all of this mean when you're looking to buy a kayak or a canoe? The fact is that you need to consider each of these things as they apply to the type of activity you plan to do. Of course, you should also consider the budget that you have. If you are new to the sport, you may be tempted to purchase something brand new, but it may be wise to go low end and even used to ensure that you do enjoy the sport. The good news is that when you are out to buy a kayak or a canoe, the best thing that you can do is shop online to get the best price overall. And this is all about how to choose a new kayak. Now you just have to put these tips into practice. It's your turn.